one last step for you to turn in your assignment. Go to your file, your assignment file, and see that all of your folders and your file are there. And this is most likely what your projects are going to look like. So you're going to have an index.html file. It does need to be called index.html. Don't try to rename it until we get to a point where it makes sense to. We'll get there. At this point, leave it called index.html. And then you'll have multiple folders with various files in it. So it's common to have an IMG folder, and JS folder, and a CSS folder, and for those to hold each of those files as needed. And the index.html will just refer to those. But when you turn it in, because like I said before, Cobra won't allow us to submit folders, and it won't allow us to submit files that aren't inside folders or connected to each other that aren't inside files. We need to zip this and make one file out of it. So if you're familiar with this already, great. And if you're not, here we are. So I'm going to select all of those, and you could do that in a variety of ways, but I just selected all of those and right click. And you know what? I don't think it kept that. There we go. Let's try again. And right click and send to compressed zipped folder. I don't want it named CSS. I want it named instead last name underscore first name underscore assignment 0. Now I'm going to call mine demo 0 because mine is the demo. Mine is not the assignment. Remember that? Mine was different than yours. But if I click in, I'll see that demo zip now has all of those files and folders, and also tells me that I can extract it, or I will want to extract it before I use it. But that's just checking to make sure that it's there. You probably don't want to keep the zipped file inside this folder. I would just take it out and put it on your desktop, or put it in your documents, or put it in a folder that you're creating for this class or something. And so now that file, let's move these things, is what you're going to submit. This one is what you're going to submit to the assignment folder, assignment Dropbox in Cobra. Not this one that is not zipped, but this one that is zipped. Notice the tiny little zipper there? Tiny little zipper on that folder, and it's called the .zip. They both contain the same things, but one you can send as a single file and one you can't. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.